Alrighty, let the challenge begin. Oh shoot. It's recording.
I don't want to get wet.
Oh, it's going. Okay, so it's not leaking. That's good news. It's not leaking. We're okay right now. It's not leaking. It's not leaking right now.
I'm wet.
This is not looking too good, guys. There's Katie. No! Pick that up! No!
Back with another video, guys, and in today's video, we're going to be doing box fort versus water. So, make sure, guys, for some more bangers, to subscribe to this channel, turn on those post notifications, and like this video for more epic box forts. I'm planning on doing box fort versus water. So, basically bathtub. But we're going to use the shower as rain simulator, maybe. We might even turn it as bad as making it a hurricane. We'll see. But we have some extra strength cardboard. So that's going to be pretty interesting. So I'll show it to you. Extra strength cardboard. So yeah, pretty nice. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, guys, make sure you guys like this video, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into this. Let's do a time lapse. So guys, we just finished building the fort. I mean, it's not the best fort. You guys are gonna be like, that's trash. I mean, I didn't put too much effort into it. I just wanted to make it a shelter. My main things I did. What I did do is I did this tape right here. Hopefully this can resist against leakage. Because last time I did this, actually, the water actually came in through there. Over here, hopefully nothing leaks through. Looks pretty good. Everything else looks good. I have an extra strength on the roof. I have extra strength over there. I'm feeling pretty confident. So I'm going to have my sister turn on the stuff and help me out. And yeah, we're going to be filming with the GoPro. Hopefully it actually records. I actually did this yesterday, but it did not record. So it's really upsetting. Hopefully it will record. And I'll be using my phone from right here so you guys can see like the box fort, how it's doing. But yeah, guys, this is my sister, and I'm gonna start challenge, get inside the place. So yeah, shout out over here to my sister, Crazy Cupcake Productions. She's gonna be helping us out. She's gonna be turning on the water. She's also gonna do a simulator, so she's gonna turn it hot and cold. So it's gonna be pretty fun. Oh yeah, that makes her smile. But yeah, guys, she's gonna be helping us out. Let's get inside our crib. We can do maybe a tiny little tour, but it is small. But it is small. So a little crib tour. We have the drain over here so the house doesn't flood, because if we block the drain, the water's gonna come out of the shower. It's crammed. I mean, this is small. My back is gonna be exposed, but hopefully this will work out. I patched this spot so water's gonna leak in.
Still need to close the door.
Yeah, true, but I made it easy. But we're gonna have my phone right around here, so you guys can see how the box fort's doing. I'll take my GoPro in. Hopefully it will film this time.
Alrighty, guys, so we are now going to go inside our crib. Let's go inside. We're on the GoPro now. Let's get inside. We're not going to start the challenge quite yet, so you can see just pretty much quarter lane. Okay, let's get inside. I'm going to be crammed in here, guys.
I'm going to be texting my friend a lot.
Yeah, and then, so how I'm going to get in here, I'm going to have my feet down here. I'm going to try to get in here. I don't really have too much room. I'm going to try to scoot up so I'm not completely exposed. And I think this is okay. Okay, so let's get ready. Alrighty, let the challenge begin. Oh shoot, it's recording.
I don't want to get wet.
Oh, it's going, it's going. Okay, so it's not leaking. That's good news. It's not leaking. We're okay right now. It's not leaking. It's not leaking right now.
I'm wet.
Oh, no! Pick that up! No! Alrighty guys, so we fixed the thing so it's not disturbing us anymore. So we're back continuing the challenge. So far we're looking really good, except that the water is leaking, or well, it's coming off the roof. It's off the roof and it's starting to leak in, but so far we're looking good. The structure is really good. I don't know if the structure has really been affected except the back where earlier the shower thing, it was spraying on it, so I'm kind of having my back to use to help it, but right now we're in really good shape. Alright, so my sister, she turned it on, the water very hot apparently. I could see it's hot. It's not, oh shoot, my camera's starting to even, starting to moisten up. I gotta clear the lens. Okay, so, oh no, some duct tape fell off. Uh-oh, that ain't good. So apparently the back is starting to get weak. The duct tape just fell out, supporting it. That's not good. We put the shower where it's affecting the back directly, so that's why it's getting so weak. There's tape up here. The tape is holding really good. Sorry, you guys can't see. But there's tape up here, and it's really holding. The tape up there is holding really good. It's not even leaking. Jeez, duct tape, guys. You need duct tape to survive. Alright, so it's still pretty hot. So far it's good. I don't know where Katie is. I bet she left. Oh no, she's in the bathtub. So yeah, so far so good. And it is recording. That's good news. Oh shoot. I hear like the back. Oh, the back's starting to have problems, guys. The back is having problems with the. Oh shoot! This roof is starting to tilt over towards this side because of all the water. Oh, you can see some of. You see that? That's starting to rip off. That's not good. Sorry, guys. Clearing the lens again. Oh, this is not good. Also, guys, sorry about the stuff on the camera. You can see like 2017, all that stuff. I'm sorry about that. Unfortunately, that had to happen, but I unfortunately was unable to fix that. But you can see our first damage. Oh, this ain't good. This is starting to come in as well. Oh, that's not good. The back and front, but that's our first piece of damage that actually fell to the floor. I'm gonna maybe try to push this out. I mean, it's not too bad. Yeah. So, it's not looking too bad. Let's see. So far, I don't see any leakage. Seriously, guys, no leakage. This roof is really lasting. Guys, if you want to go into a box fort with the roof, like, get extra strong box fort or cardboard, put it on the roof, and put some duct tape right around here, you're fine. You're living a lifetime. You can resist even a hurricane. Yo, if we actually had a fan, we could maybe even try that. But we don't have a fan, unfortunately.
Well, in the bathroom.
Yeah. Oh, no, this fell. Actually, there's air condition. Oh, no, it's falling over. There's actually, no, it's falling over. We do have air condition in our bathroom, so maybe we could use that as hurricane winds, but I bet it doesn't make too much of a difference. Falling over. There's actually, no, it's falling over. no, that does not work. Doesn't work. I'm gonna, oh, no. So apparently we're losing structural integrity. I'm trying to get the sand up. Apparently this is really, the bottom is messed up. Oh, shoot. I'm trying my best. Let's try to get, oh, no. Oh, come on, stay up. Okay, this is not working. The back is fine, but it's starting to get weak. Oh, no. So apparently the back and the front, so this side, this is the extra strength cardboard, unfortunately. Clear lines again, sorry guys. It's really loud, apparently, so you guys can see here. You guys can hear how loud it is. It's pretty loud. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, the back's getting weak. The back is getting really weak. Oh, shoot, the drain is kind of clogged. We gotta push it out so water can get out. Okay, there. Yeah, this is not looking too good, guys. There's Katie. Yeah, there she is. Yeah, it's not looking too good. I don't think I can use any, if I try, guys. So if I try to push this up, this is not standing up. Yeah, it's not working. I'm going to use it just to apparently keep this roof up. I don't know what else. The only thing though is it blocks the drain, and we can't let that happen. Apparently in the back it's getting pretty worse. Every couple of minutes. Oh, it's starting to kind of leak. Kind of see a leak. So you can see all of this. It's all waterlogged. So all this pressure from the water's been pulling it down, and it came to the point where the cardboard could not withstand the pressure, so it fell down. Up here though, it's doing really good. The duct tape up there I taped up earlier, still no leaks, so it's really resisting well. But I can see there are some duct tape right there. That's starting to leak. So the duct tape is buckling, so water's coming in. Yeah, it's not looking too good. I'm not too wet though. So yeah. Like, I mean, I could move to the front, but it's gonna be pretty hard. It's not really bad. So yeah, surprisingly guys, we're still lasting. I don't know how. This video might be like 30 minutes long, just because how long this thing could last. Leaking over here has gotten more intense. But over here the wall is pretty strong. I'm pretty much stuck over here. I can't really move. I'm stuck. If I move, it's not easy. It's so... Oh! Oh no! Oh no, the roof just fell. Ah! Ah, I got water in my eye. Ah! So apparently when I move, the roof falls. So it's actually not a good idea to move. Let's try to get the roof back up. Oh, we can't do it. No. The roof fell just because of the pressure. So I'm not getting too wet, but I can. What? Should I go out? See all the rain coming down. You can sign. Oh my gosh, it's so low. I don't want to get something, so I'm gonna push this. Ah! I'm trying to get wet. I'm trying to get in a good spot right now. Oh, I'm getting wet. Ah! Oh, it's getting really. Oh my god, it's gonna get really weak. We can see, guys, it's about to cram in. I'm hoping this duct tape up here will somehow keep it from falling on me. My feet are getting wet. So I'm gonna have leakage really pick up. How am I doing? Really bad, apparently. It's not doing too good. Pretty much I lost my roof. I'm using this as my only roof. Once this falls though, I'm done. That's for sure, guys. I don't want to make this too long. Oh shoot, it's almost on me. Okay, should I bail out? Should I bail out? See all the rain coming down. Oh my god, it's getting so low. I don't want to get suffocated, so I'm going to push this. If I push it away though, I'm going to wet. Okay guys, so I got to push this off. So apparently this is done. If I push it away though, I'll get wet. Oh shoot.